How to log in into US Bank online banking. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow this step. Open up a browser, any of the browser you prefer, and go ahead and type in US Bank online banking. And go ahead and type in US Bank online banking in the search bar. Hit the search and you should be getting the results on your screen. Now from here, head over to usbank.com. And once you are there, you should be finding this interface. Now, in order to log in, all you gotta do is from the given interface, at the top right of your screen, you should be finding a login option. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after you tap on it, wait for the login page to load up completely. And all you gotta do is enter up your account credentials. So in the first section, you may enter up your username of your bank account that you used in your bank account. After that, tap on password and enter up a password you used in order to create an account. And you may also check mark this remember my username if you don't want to have the hassle of logging in with your username again. After that, go ahead and tap on this login option. And if you have any security code, you will be getting a 6-digit code. All you gotta do is enter that. And once you do, you will be easily logged in into US Bank online banking. So that's it for now. You may follow up this step and go ahead and access the feature of online banking of US Bank. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.